Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here. I am sharing a complete junk drawer organization and declutter. So I have a lot of great drawer storage in my kitchen island, and over the past couple of weeks I have just been reorganizing and decluttering all of these drawers. And next up I am tackling the junk drawer. So here's an overview of what it looked like before. I had definitely spent some time trying to organize it and use little baskets and everything in the past, but they just got cluttered anyway and have been accumulating lots of various odds and ends. So it was time to give it an organizational refresh. So of course, first thing I'm doing is completely emptying out the drawer and giving it a good little vacuum. And I'm starting by using these Space Aid drawer dividers, which I found on Amazon. This drawer is so wide, I really wanted to give the adjustable dividers a try, and these I think were like the highest rated ones on Amazon. As you can see, they have this bungee sort of mechanism to fit multiple size of drawers. So basically all I did was pull out all of these large main pieces, put them in, and then I just started playing with the compartment dividers and the sizing just to get a feel for how everything worked. One thing I did notice right off the bat with these is using the small dividers on each ends of the drawer does not work very well. So I kept all of the smaller divided compartments in the middle because it just ended up being sturdier. After I had a general arrangement with all the little dividers, I just started grabbing my odds and ends that were on the countertop and started organizing them and seeing what fit where, how I wanted to arrange things, and just moving things around to find what works the best. I like to keep a whole array of goodies in this junk drawer, and the drawer next to it is actually going to be converted to a secondary junk drawer as well for more storage. This paper organizing bin is what I had in my junk drawer previously, and it just had accumulated so many different manuals, receipts, recipes, cards, random paper, odds and ends that needed to be sorted through. So that's what I'm going ahead and doing, and then I make piles based on where things need to go away, what needs to be thrown away, etc. And now I am moving on to my second drawer. I previously had this full of different tools and hardware, but those have now been relocated. So I have all this newfound space. And for this drawer, I am using this plastic 25-piece organizer set, also purchased from Amazon. The key feature on these that I was really happy about was that they came with these little grippy feet things that stick on the bottom. So I put the feet on a handful of the containers and then just started arranging them randomly in the drawer. And now I have both of the drawers open. Like I said, I'm just arranging things a million different times. I like to group things based on how they're used or when they're used, and just use the most, I guess, logical sense about how things are placed to make for ease of finding items and putting them back. Now I will go ahead and say you can definitely achieve very similar results if you go and get all your organizing containers from the Dollar Tree. It's definitely possible to do this without spending a lot of money. Those white baskets that were previously in here were all from the Dollar Tree and work fine. I was just wanting to give them a fresh update, get something a little bit sturdier, and overall just get a higher end visual aesthetic going on.
All right, you guys, I think I am pretty much done organizing my two junk drawers. I'm happy with how everything's sorted. And so far, I can definitely say I recommend either one or both of these organizer sets from Amazon. I think both of them worked really well. Obviously, I haven't seen how they hold up over time. for either set, but so far I can definitely recommend either or depending on your preference. These I guess just feel fancier to me just because they're kind of a new novelty. I've never used these like expandable ones before. So I ended up switching a lot of things from this one over. As you can see, I've just got various supplies. So we've got pens and pencils. I've got some notepads, some sanitizing wipes, my label makers back here. We've got cough drops, my rubber bands. These are coupons, sunglasses, and then I just threw a little lotion in there. So very well organized and easy to find things. And then, like I said, over here is more various odds and ends. So I ended up putting all of my cat's toys in here because since these like long, like dangly sticks, I guess, like they're so awkward shape, I can never find anywhere to store them. Otherwise, these are all just like floating around on the floors in my house. Brushes, everything in here fit nicely. Got some different charging cords. These are just random magnets. Takeout menus. I've got all these coasters over here. These are gonna be masks. And then I don't have anything that lives in there. Sam's wallet lives there. And then over here, I'm just keeping my paint by number that I am currently working on.
If you were motivated or inspired by this video to organize your own junk drawers, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below for more organizational and DIY content just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!